Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add a cookie banner in Wix. All you have to do is go for your Wix page. Make sure you've logged in. Now, go forward to the left side and select Setting. Then, look for Privacy and Cookies. Once you tap it, tap again Get Started. Then, tap Display Cookies banner on site. Then, next, tap the dark under text and display settings. Then, type Accept Cookies. Then here, type your settings. Scroll down and click here and here again. Go back to the top, scroll up, and click here. Then, tap Save and Publish. Then, click here again. Then, tap here. Let's move here. All you have to do is tap all this. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.